Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection and then you can enter the settings. Here in this left section, scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Update. As you can see, we've got this red dot, which indicates that we've got actually update pending. So let's tap on it and then tap on Software Update. As you can see, your device will check for the updates. So just give it a second. And basically we can meet two different scenarios. This is the one where you've got the update available. Your device will show you the information about it. So what has been fixed, what has been added. You can enter this link to check more. Here you've got must knowns, etc. So all you have to do is to tap on download and install. The second scenario is where your device is up to date. It will also, of course, show you the information that everything looks fine. There's nothing to download. So this is how it works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.